There you go. Like both of them caps, so you're just gonna twist that. And you're gonna go ahead and push this tab down and pull that out. So this is the old one. So we got the new piece here, just like that. Now you're gonna want to get it in this little spot right there. As you can see, there's 3 little ridges here. You're gonna line those up. Alright, and then we got the cap right here. Just twist that on clockwise. Now we gotta do the same thing for this side. Same thing, pop out the bottom, push the bottom tab in, twist that one out. And with the new, I'm just gonna put it in there. Make sure you got the hook up sticking out a little bit so you can access it easy. Twist it in there. Yellow part to slide up in the headlight. Shake all the way in. Cap back on and be clockwise, bam.